Hello, welcome back. It's been a while, guys. I'm excited for this video though. It's Lord of Lightning. It's pretty much my all-time favorite King Gizzard song, but this is going to be a short one. It's going to be quick because there's not much to it. I just wanted to lay the basic foundations of Lord of Lightning melodies on harmonica. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so for this one you're going to get your G harmonica out. It's pretty basic right here. Just start off on a 4 draw, work your way up. I'll play it through right now. Okay, that's pretty easy. Here, I'll play it through slow, one more time slower. Alright, so that's just part one, the intro little sentence, the first sentence of the verse. Alright, so here's the second line. It's just points the strung finger our way. There's only one minor swap, and instead of a 4 draw at the end, it's a 6 blow. Sorry, 6 draw. So it's going to sound like this. Alright, so just that one minor change. What that little change is doing is just leading up to this higher part of electricity escapes, which sounds like this. This one's a little bit trickier because the higher notes, if you haven't noticed already, past 7 are inverted, so when you draw, it's higher than when you blow. When you blow, it's a higher note than when you draw. So it's a little tricky at first and it just takes some practicing, but it's easy to get the hang of pretty quick. Alright, so the last little line here leaves destruction in our way. It's the same as the first two, except the last note is just a 3 blow instead of a 4 or 6. So it sounds like this. And then he just holds that and it moves along. So that's pretty much all the harmonica there is to the Floating Fire, Lord of Lightning section. There's a little bit more in an A harmonica. I'll play that too real quick actually. So yeah, this little last part's with an A harmonica. He just plays this like throughout the whole saga of Lord of Lightning, and he just bounces around on the 4 blow for a little while. And yeah, he kind of just bounces around on that a little bit throughout the whole thing. And then there's a part right before Floating Fire where he goes. So it's just bounce around on 4 and then you go quick attack up to the 5 draw and then goes down like that. And that's right before the Floating Fire verse. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is for Lord of Lightning in general. Alright, that'll wrap it up for the Lord of Lightning video. I want to do Polygon Dwanaland next, Tetrachromacy, but the problem with that is it's such a short little section of harmonica that the video would honestly be like a minute long. So I'm debating on doing that. I might add a little bit of other parts of Polygon Dwanaland. It's not much harmonica to Polygon Dwanaland, but I definitely want to get Tetrachromacy out there. So expect a short video next, and leave some suggestions on what to play next, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.